Welcome to the science class. You're a part of chapter number 6. This is the fourth segment of this chapter. We will try and understand the unequal distribution of water. Along with this, we will also try to find out what kind of problems people face in arranging water for their livelihood. All of you take out your NCERT book on page number 57 to relate this video to your book. Let's see what Rama has to share. She lives in the city. She says, we get water at home for half an hour. We fill this in the tank to use all day. Sometimes it's dirty. My dear children, she's telling that sometimes she gets dirty water. It is so harmful for us. He is Rahul. He also lives in the city. He says, we have put a motor to pump up the water from the borewell. Borewell is the underground water. But there is no electricity, so what do? That means without the electricity, the motor will not be able to pump up the water. So he's again feeling so helpless. He is Girdhar. Let's see what Girdhar is sharing about the water. He says, there is a hand pump nearby, but the water that we get from it is salty. We have to buy water for drinking. He lives in a small town, and it is so bad and sad that water being a natural source, then also people have to buy water. She is Savitri. She lives in a village. My dear children, in the villages, people still have to fetch water from the canals. Let's hear from Radha. Radha is living in a village. She says, we fill water from the well. The nearby well dried up a year ago. Now, we have to walk far to reach the other well. We are not allowed to take water from some of the wells because of our caste. Oh, dear children, some people still make differences between caste and creed. It is really unfair. Because of different caste, she's not getting water. This little girl is Meera. Meera says, we get water from our taps all day long. Oh wow, Meera seems to be very lucky that she gets water all day long. He is Govind. He says, a Jal Board water tanker comes to our colony twice a day. We have to stand in a long queue to get water from the tanker. People at times have fights over water. My dear children, for a natural source like water, people are fighting. Last but not the least, let's meet Shashank. He says, we have put a pump directly in the Jal Board pipelines. Now, we don't have any problem. So, he's getting water all the time. Dear children, on your screen you can see a bill. This is the water bill. This has been circulated by Delhi Jal Board. Every house receives this bill. You can check with your mom and dad. You can ask them to show you this bill. Delhi Jal Board is a government organization, and the government takes good care that each and every house gets proper amount of water. Dear children, when the government is ensuring our comfort, then should we not participate in it? Should we not use the water very wisely? So, everyone should keep in mind that we should not waste water. If not required, we should keep the taps closed. We should not allow the water to flow freely and get wasted, because what each and every drop of water counts. Each and every drop of water is very precious for us. Keep watching this video to understand the importance of water and how to use it very wisely.